Hi, Cancer. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Uh, I'm trying to channel the energies from November, from the month of November. So let's see what are the messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for the month of November 2020. I will be doing more readings. This is just the first reading for November. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. See, we have you there, Cancer. Cancer, I feel that you guys are moving on from something and moving towards a beautiful new beginning. I also see that whatever you guys are getting out of was something that was very painful, and it made you feel worthless, and it also made you feel as if you were hard to love, Cancer, which is not true at all. It could be a Taurus that you were dealing with, or you could have a Taurus, like Taurus placement in your chart. It could also be a Gemini, Aquarius, or a Libra person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, an Aquarius person for sure, or a Gemini person. You've got the Lovers card and Two of Cups, which are both about unions. So I feel that probably in the past you got out, in the recent past, you have managed to get out of a connection that no longer served you. You've tried to indulge in your spiritual matters, you've tried to, uh, tap into your spiritual awareness. I also feel that you have now decided what you want and how to go about it. There is somebody in your life who wants to offer you this beautiful uh, new beginning with them. I feel that they have also gone through a breakup, Cancer, and when they saw you, they felt as if you got them, you just understood how they felt and what they've come out of. And somehow you accept them and you feel that they accept you as well. They could come across as a headstrong person who knows what they want, who has a clear direction about um, what is happening and how to deal with things. If not, then with you by their side, they feel that they can conquer the world. You know, they were just waiting for somebody like you who would uh, give equal amount of love, care, attention to this relationship as much as they do. I also feel that you're going to get some kind of closure. You're feeling in your power, you're feeling happy, you're feeling um, empowered, is what I feel, you know. But because in the recent past, you had no choice but to move on from a connection or connections, please keep in mind that the energies are fluid. So it could be you or it could be the other person who's feeling like this. If you're a cross watcher, your Cancer person is feeling this way, and if you're trying to make a move at them, trying to offer them something great, I think they will be receptive to it. You just have to make sure you don't offend them or their feelings. Yeah. So in the past, there was some kind of communication that got blocked, and somebody ghosted you, probably, or you ghosted somebody. But I feel this is the energies of the other person, Cancer. It's not you, it's them. And whoever this person is, at one point in time, they were very important to you, and they made sure they make you feel as if you were important to them as well. But then due to some XYZ reason, circumstances, whatever, they just stopped communicating, and it just left you feeling confused, and left out in the cold, Cancer. But I think now you've picked yourself up and you're moving towards better times, better circumstances, better situations, and now you are um, on the driver's seat of your life. Whoever this person is that left you or made you leave them could possibly try to communicate with you. Chances are bleak that you will let them or give them another chance, Cancer. But then it all depends on you. You've got the let go card. Guys, so these are important extra messages. So they may or may not relate to the tarot. You can take them however they resonate with you. If you feel that this card resonates, is related to the tarot, then I feel the angels want you to let go of this past connection so that you can make space for something more worthwhile. If not, if you had a separate question, then let go is the answer to it. Wow, you have actually moved on, Cancer. You've got two moving on cards, and you have a direction in mind and you're working towards it, which is a great sign after a brutal hard work. And you have new moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe. End of a tough cycle approaches, Cancer. It's time to take action, which you already are with the Queen of Swords right there. And last but not least, what do you need to release? What do you need to let go? So you've got two letting go cards, two moving on cards, two cards about taking action. Also, if you're feeling a little insecure about your loved ones, rest assured that they are safe, you are loved, they are loved, and you both are safe. Don't worry about anything. The end of a tough cycle approaches. It could be anything, about a job, about your relationship, or a situationship that was troubling you, Cancer. You got beautiful cards, Cancer. I just hope whatever decisions you take, you think them through, and keep the holistic picture in mind before jumping to some kind of decision. Take care, Cancer. Thank you for watching. Bye.